Here we have two vectors created in Artcam, a closed square shape and a single line vector. I'm going to be taking a look at the offset vectors tool within Artcam. To come up to the top to this tool here, the offset vectors tool. Just put my offset vector tool docked here. I'm going to select firstly my square vector. Now I'm going to select an offset distance of 2 mm. I'm going to firstly start with outwards. I'm going to offset my vector with a radiused corner to it. So it's offsetting my vectors 2 mm outwards with this radiused corner. The next option under this is chamfered. So this will put a nice chamfered edge here on my box. And then finally, sharp allows us just to offset our vectors by 3 mm as we currently see them to create a larger box. Now if I come over to the single line for now, do exactly the same. So just selecting my single line and offsetting outwards, which currently says outwards and right. If I select offset, this is offset this to the right. Now sometimes when you're using the offset vector, you select outwards stroke right. Sometimes you may get this on the other side. The reason being for this, if I redraw a new vector, is if I select this vector now and select offset, it's now offset this for me to the left. This because the start point, so this green point here, is currently at the top. To fix this, if I enter node editing mode with the N key on the keyboard and go to the bottom node here and press P to reverse it, so the green one, the green node, is currently at the bottom. So now when I do the same thing again, it's offset it correctly to the right hand side. Which means if I select that vector and say inwards, it should correctly offset that to the left hand side. Now the final option is both sides. So if I offset this vector with a sharp, it's created this rectangular box around it for me of 2 mm the whole way round. If I delete this and do radius, we get our rounded ends on our box or our rectangle. So that's using the offset vectors tool, working on closed or a single line vector.